Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a set of artist trading coins to share. I saw these nice artsy pieces a lot on the internet recently and I couldn't resist making my own. I start by spraying my homemade resist spray onto some watercolor paper, and I'm using stencils from STAMPlorations. The resist spray is a mixture of glossy Mod Podge and border. I'm using the Brusho Acrylic Mists sprays from ColourCraft to create a nice background. I have tried the resist spray with the heat tool before. After the ink is completely dry, I use a wet baby wipe to wipe away the leftover ink from the resist areas. You have to work quickly and don't smear too much onto your paper because you will reactivate the ink. I decided only to go with the leafy background, and I already cut 4 coins. They are measuring 2.5 inches, and I'm adding a little bit of white gesso. After the gesso is dry, I go in with some acrylic paints. This lovely turquoise is also from ColourCraft. I wanted to have some contrasting color onto my coins, so I picked a red paint marker and add just some tiny details. I do some background stamping with Archival Ink, and I'm using some lovely leaves from a rubber dance stamp set. I will give you all the supplies in the description box. I pulled out some wooden owls from my stash and I will emboss them with a embossing powder from Stupendous. To get a good coat, I emboss them twice. That means I heat up the first layer and then dip into the powder again when it's still hot. After I have embossed the owls, I'm using a piece of black thread and arrange it onto my coins. I use a glue dot to adhere it. I'm also adding some white splatters to the background. I did this to all the coins, and I also adhere the owls with glossy accents. And now I'm painting the edges of the coins with the ColourCraft Aztec Lustre metallic paint. I have also cut out some extra circles from cardstock and adhered it to the backside of each coin to make them more stable. Finally, I also add some splatters with the metallic paint. Here are my finished artist trading coins. I had very much fun creating them, and if you are unsure what to do, I have some ideas to share. Obviously, you can trade your coins with other artists, which is really much fun, I believe. You can use them on gift tags or as a card topper. You can add them to your art journal pages or make some magnets from them for the fridge. I am curious what you are doing with your artist trading coins. Maybe you can tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope we see us next time. Bye!